The occurrences of flood vis-a-vis flash floods, especially in cities and towns, is a global phenomenon caused by global warming, or commonly known as climate change, and Sarawak is not spared. The occurrence of the recent flood in certain part of Miri raised by Aliang Bermat Perpujut is one of such incidents predictably caused by a combination of factors such as a very high rainfall intensity, which I term as skyburst over a very short period of time, compounded by a high or king tide. In our efforts to address this problem in Miri in particular, DID has undertaken a flood mitigation project, Rancangan Tibatan Banjir Sungai Miri, Limpangan Sungai Miri Sarawak, Phase 1, which has commenced in November 2023. In addition to this project, Rancangan Timbatan Banjir Phase 2 has also been approved under RMK 12. In the long term, the idea is contemplating of undertaking a more disruptive, innovative and sustainable solution by perhaps constructing a series of vertical shaft systems which would serve as a reservoir to collect the excess surface runoff, connected by underground tunnels which would slowly discharge the excess water to a nearby river.